Hi guys, welcome back to the Gunk YouTube channel. Today is hosted by me, Maddie, and I'm going to show you how to remove makeup using one product. So the main product is the Obs Organic Moisturiser, and basically this product is good and versatile because not only is it a moisturiser, it can also be used as a cleanser. So as you can see, the stuff really just truly melts the products away. I'm using cotton buds to remove around the eye, and obviously working around the eye, you need to be very delicate anyways, so just keep in mind when you are removing makeup that it takes patience, it takes a lot of time, so just be wary of that and make sure you communicate with your model. Just make sure she's okay, make sure, like, if you were working around the eye, just make sure that her eyes are fine. I'm also doing a method with a cotton pad. So basically I'm folding a cotton pad in half, placing it underneath the eye, asking my model to close her eye, and I'm getting a cotton bud with some organic moisturiser on, and I'm just rolling the cotton bud to remove them. So for the lips, it's literally the same as the removal of everything else. Just put a lip on and just let it melt away, and use your fingertips to rub it in. To remove the base, I literally pretty much used Obs moisturiser. I literally just dotted it around the face. I used my fingers to get into the skin a bit more. You don't have to use your fingers if you don't want to, you can use a cotton pad if you want, but I find this product works really well warmed up, so that's why I did that. With this colour red, you are gonna get staining no matter what products you use, how expensive they are. Basically what you have to do is just communicate with your model this and just say that over time it will come off, but you, a makeup artist, has taken most of that off for them. So what you can do is give skincare advice. Just give them advice on what to do, and yeah, your model will feel much better than that, than going away thinking that you haven't taken the makeup off properly. So as you can see, my model is just glowing and she looks so happy. And she was happy. I made sure I asked her questions throughout. I asked if she was okay, if anything was stinging, and she communicated perfectly back with me. So another thing to take away from this video is communication is key, being delicate with the skin is key, and being patient is key. So that concludes the video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you have a nice day.